Hello friends, welcome back to Option Board official YouTube channel, and currently it's 6:51 p.m. and today's date is 31st of August. Okay, if you see, I have actually exited my holding for IRCTC today. Okay, so I have made huge changes in my holding today. I actually exited from my major holding in IRCTC today. I tried to buy two other stock which I was looking for as an opportunity to jump into, but as you can see, I traded in Inox and I also bought DMart, but in both stocks they hit my today's stop loss already, and I was planning they will never hit my stop loss, but they actually hit my stop loss by today only. And as you can see, I have a positional trade remaining with me, which I just bought at the last minute. So this is the one point. So if you look closely to the trades, we actually made trades in these actually, and remaining are actually other trades. Like this trade is the exiting our IRCTC position from the holding, and these were the replacement for the IRCTC, but they both actually hit the stop loss for today. So we exited from the stocks automatically. So actually today I tried to do something different in my trading, and I tried to do scalp trading today. So for that, let's move to the orders. If you see, I placed my order at 9:15:33 first. So I put my make my profit in this trade, and then a tragic incident occurred here. So basically what happened, friends, I tried to enter in the stock again when the market started falling heavily, as I was waiting for the market to retrace, make a profit booking in the market. And as you can see, in today's market, the market fall sharply today, around 3% in bank nifty and 2% more than 2% in nifty. So I was waiting for this only for this moment only. But as you can see, I take a trade in 929 in bank nifty at 781 price level. So actually what happened, friend, when the stock moved sharply downward, I actually sold at this price level, and when the stock started to retrace back, the loss was already around my max loss potential, around 1000. So as soon as I sell this one lot of future here, price jumped very quickly to 1000 loss, and I quickly placed a sell order in this future lot. But what happened, friends, it actually entered into a verification, and it took around 20 seconds to actually execute the order. So due to this, my stop loss I placed at 1000 rupee loss, but when after 20 seconds of delay, my actually the loss was booked at 25,000 2500. So my loss was booked from 1000 to 2500. As you can see, today market was very volatile, so I didn't got any chance to place my SL when I sell this stock. So market suddenly moved upward as a retracement, and my stop loss target already achieved of 1000 rupee. So I exited from the trade at the market price, but when I placed the market price, the order went for the verification, which took around 20 seconds to verify and the order to get executed. For that, only for that reason, as you can see here, my loss was booked around 2500 in this MIS order for bank nifty. Then I thought I'm making a mistake here. So what I did here, actually now onward I didn't took trade in futures, as you can see here. This as you can see, I traded in these two future lots. In one, I actually was making around 2500 profit. Then I tried to exit the trade. The same problem occurred in this cover order as well. When I placed the exit order, the market when the order went for the verification, it took around 10 to 20 seconds to verify the exit command, and after that the profit from 2500 it went to 1300 and something, as you can see here. And another time I took trade, it actually when I tried to exit the trade, it was showing 1000 rupee loss. Then it went for the verification and it took around 20 seconds to actually get executed. So in this process my loss increased from 1000 rupees to around 2500. So I make a change in plan today. So as I was doing scalping for today, so I plan to trade in options today, and especially call sorting strategy. So what I did here, first I sought this option here. I booked around 1800 in this trade. Then again I scalp traded in 25,000 call sorting here. I booked around 900 profit here, and again I sorted a call trade here, and again I booked 400. So basically in all this trade, guys, I would have made around 3000 around profit, as I was waiting for the market to actually go down, and this was the ultimate day which I was waiting for. So after the market showed a negative candle, I actually started selling heavily today, but due to the market rush, the orders were going for the verification first, then they are getting executed. That's why I had to book this loss and also less profit in this trade. So I switched to the options, and in these actually the trades executed at the same time I exited. So after realizing that futures are getting delayed in exiting, so I traded in these options, and as you can see I made profit in all of them. Guys, actually it was a long time I haven't took any scalping trade, and today was the best day to actually do the scalping today, as the market was moving very rapidly downward only. There was only one direction for the market, it was going downward and downward. So I was waiting for the opportunities to enter in the market and book the short profits here. So for that let me show you the orders. If you see here, I bought at 9:15, exited from at 9:17, entered at 9:29, exited from 9:31, entered at 9:31, and exited from 9:35. So as you can see, as I booked a loss in this trade due to the verification delay, I immediately sell call option within 30 to 50 seconds. Within 50 seconds I sell call option, as I knew the market is negative today and I will be profitable and I will recover this loss as well. So I sorted 2 lots of call option here and booked a profit in this. And that after that I saw that IRCTC stock price are going down after a huge upward momentum, so I quickly exited the IRCTC trade. And I already have selected DMart and Inox for my portfolio, but as the today's market was very negative, the Inox was sustaining at high levels, then started moving downward and downward. So it hit my stop loss here at this point when it took retracement from this, and then it again came to this level. I exited from the trade. Okay. And in the DMart, actually the price was falling, and when the price was falling I entered the stock. When it showed some lower price rejection, I entered the DMart stock, and it as soon as I bought the DMart, it completely went against my direction. And from actually I bought, if you see, I bought DMart at 72, and if you see the DMart chart, you will see it went around 10 rupees, 2210. So I exited at 54 price level. As you can see, I exited from 54 price level, and from that it went to 2210 So this was a good idea to put a stop loss in the both trade. So as you can see, after booking to a profit in call sorting, I again try to sort 2 lots in this trade, as you can see. and I waited for the price to come to around 210 price level, and after that the price started to retrace. So after little bit of retracement, I exited from this call option to book my profit, and after 1 hour or so I again saw opportunity to short again. But as soon as I sorted, the market recovered quickly and came down, so it was very volatile at this moment. So after sorting, as you can see, the trade was actually 55.10 and I exited at 56 around 1 minute. This is actually 1 minute trade here. So in 1 minute I booked around 400, which is quite good. So in scalping we try to capture a trend direction in a short span. So actually in 1 minute of time frame we try to capture a trend direction and profit in very quick momentum. So I didn't saw any quick momentum in this trade actually, so I exited very early from this trade. So guys, as you can see, I again try to enter in the DMAT when after DMAT fall and started to recover and took a support and started to recover again. I opted to buy the DMAT stock again, but actually I missed the price. I tried to enter at 2 to 38, but the price went to around 50 here, so I missed the trade. So never mind, I maybe in later time or in other stock I will take the position, but DMAT, I think I missed the position in DMAT. And after I missed the trade in DMAT, my Inox stock hit the SL for today. So at the very final minutes, as you can see, 3:29.56, I took a trade in put option buying. I took this trade only because my view is that the market will open a gap down tomorrow. Even if the market don't open a gap down tomorrow, or it opens a flat tomorrow and shows a negative downward direction, I will add one more lot in this trade. But if it opens a huge gap up and then it shows a selling off in the market, then I will stay in this trade, and I will try to capture the trend. And if I see a good movement in the stock price in downward direction, I will add in this. If the market goes against my analysis, I will quickly exit, as I always try to do. So this is it for today's video.